In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Airbnb link from app 2026, step by step. If you've ever found the perfect stay or experience and wanted to send it to friends, family, or your travel group, this walkthrough will make it effortless. We'll keep it simple, clear, and fast, so you can share confidently without missing any details. Start by opening the Airbnb app on your phone. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you have full access to your account and save searches. Once you're in, use the search bar to find what you want to share. You can look up a listing, an experience, or even a host profile. Add your destination and dates if it helps narrow the results. Then browse until you see the exact place or activity you have in mind. When you find it, tap to open the Airbnb listing page so you're viewing all the details, photos, and pricing clearly. Now you're ready to share the link. Look for the share icon on the screen. It typically appears as an arrow or a small paper plane symbol, and it's often near the top of the page alongside other actions. Tap that icon to bring up your sharing options. You'll see a menu of popular choices. You can send the link directly through Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, or email. Pick the option that matches where your conversation is happening. Social apps usually open a pre-filled message with the link already attached, so you can add a note like, check out these dates, or is this within budget, before you send. If you'd rather decide exactly where to paste the link, choose Copy Link. This copies the Airbnb URL to your clipboard. From there, switch to any app or document you like. Text messages, group chats, a planning spreadsheet, a calendar invite, or a notes app, and paste it in. It's a great way to keep everything in one place if you're coordinating with multiple people or comparing options. A few quick tips to make sharing smoother. Open the listing first to confirm it's the correct one and that key details like location and amenities match what you want to show. If someone you share with can't open the link, ask them to update the Airbnb app or try a web browser. And remember, sharing a link makes it easy for others to view the listing, so only post it publicly if you're comfortable with wider visibility. That's all there is to it. Open the app, log in if needed, find your listing or experience, tap the share icon, and choose your preferred method or copy link to paste it anywhere. Happy trip planning!